Starting investing in index funds may feel confusing at first, but the actual process is much simpler than most beginners think. In this video, you'll learn a clear step-by-step way to start investing safely in 2026. The first step is choosing a trusted investment platform or broker that offers low fees and simple investing options. A good platform makes it easy to begin and continue investing every month. Next, choose one broad market index fund, such as an SP 500 fund or a total market fund. These funds give you instant diversification by investing in many companies at once. You also don't need a large amount of money to begin. Even small monthly investments can grow into meaningful wealth over time. Through the power of long-term compounding, consistency is more important than perfect timing. Investing a fixed amount every month, regardless of market ups and downs, helps build strong long-term results. Index fund investing works best when you stay invested for many years. Short-term market movements matter far less than patience and discipline over time. So the simple beginner plan is clear. Choose a reliable broker, pick one broad index fund, invest consistently every month, and stay patient for the long term. If you want more simple and practical guides on saving, investing, and building financial freedom, subscribe to Grow Your Wealth and continue your journey step by step.